guys, it's 12 in the evening. I'm still doing something. Ayan, can you hear? Our neighbor is doing something also. Third night na yan, guys. The same time. Dito sa bandang likod sa may kitchen namin sila nagpupukpuk.